Oh guys, today something new, we're going hiking. So let's get some lunch and off we go. Okay, had that delicious food. Now let's get to do that walk. Look at this. You can't tell me it's not beautiful. Okay, let's get ready for this walk. Here we go. First K done. Let's go. Feeling really good. We're on our way to our second checkpoint. The first was the one you just saw before. That it's like a hostel of this mountain, and it's really cool up here. It's not a spiky mountain or anything like that, but it's a simple, flat, nice mountain, and it's just really nice. So we're getting near to this other kind of hostel place, but it isn't really used. And that's going to be checkpoint number 2, and there are fountains there, so good. That's where we started. But now we're nearly at the second checkpoint. Cows! Checkpoint number 2! Yeah! Let's go! Perfect! Kilometer 2, and we have arrived here. See the fountain there? Here I am, completely stacked. 2 kilometers, got nothing on me. Easy. So I'm gonna stop a second, have a drink, and try to get the thumbnail. So let's see. There we go. Bye bye. Didn't get the thumbnail. Too bad. Let's go. Okay, so here we turn off the road and go down, because here we go to what in Italian is called Le Pozze del Diavolo, which means basically like the pit of the devil. I say pozze. Yeah, so that's about correct. So we're going down there, and let's see if we jump in. You're gonna have to keep watching to see. Here we are, we've reached the river. Oh no, it looks dry. Let's hope it isn't all dry and it's just this bit. Let's keep going to see. Catch up if I see water. It looks completely dry. Like, this is just incredible. This is actually quite sad. But I'm really curious to see the like Devil's Pit thing, because that's like a waterfall. I'm pretty sure we're close to the end. We should be, at least. I'm pretty sure we're close to the Devil's Pit. There we go, you can kind of see it down here. Yeah, oh, there we go, a little bit of water. But that's like nothing. That's probably from rain ages ago, and it's just collected. Water, oh my god. Oh my god, maybe the waterfall, maybe the, oh my god, yes! Yes! There's water. Oh my god, I was actually panicking a little bit. Like this, I was actually kind of scared. Oh, this is good, guys. Good. Oh. Woo. So cute. There we go. See all the, I don't know if you can see all the tadpoles down there. See, there you go. But my god, I was about to say mamma mia. Oh, look at that. Yes. An actual like half pit. I'd like completely lost hope. This must come from like a different part of the mountain, because I've never seen only this part. Oh, there was a frog there. Oh, look at this. So this is a big pool, and I've actually died. I've been in this pool, and that's a waterfall right there. It's probably a little trickly now, but man, I'll go get you a bottom shot of the waterfall. Hello, and this is the Devil's Pit. This is the place where I've been coming every day, every year at least. Oh my god, beautiful. That calls for a sip of water. Come on for me. Guys, let's hear a word from my sponsor. Yes, I've got a sponsor. It's the YouTube channel Dennis Action. Who could believe it? It's my sponsor. So, I've been following Dennis Action for since he's existed, and I think he's really great. I just think he needs a little help from you guys. So like, subscribe, and show your love in the comments, because this is beautiful. Look at it. And now we'll get a tour. Bye bye.